the facelifted version of the K5 midsize sedan in Korea. The facelifted 2025 Kia K5 adopts new headlights and taillights, plus a heavily revised interior exactly 5 years after its debut. Kia tweaked the headlights and taillights, giving them more modern LED graphics that expand on the redesigned front and rear bumpers. The intakes at the front look similar to the Kia EV6 GT line, and the ducktail spoiler at the back is more prominent. Inside, the facelifted Kia K5 features a sleeker panoramic curved display, integrating dual 12.3-inch screens and getting rid of the physical buttons. The new infotainment is compatible with over-the-air updates, remote control features from the user's smartphone, a fingerprint authentication system, and music streaming services, which can be enjoyed in the optional 12-speaker premium sound system by Crow. Powertrain options of the Korean spec model include a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter with 158 horsepower, a turbocharged 1.6-liter with 178 horsepower, a 2.0-liter with 144 horsepower, and the more efficient hybrid producing a combined 192 horsepower. The Kia K5 is available for pre-orders in Korea, with prices ranging between $2,503 until $29,107 depending on the powertrain and the trim.